Hello. Hi.
What are we doing this month in Mima's Mail Club?
What do you think? If I show you this is
Well, that's Alice in Wonderland. So we're
yes.
doing an Alice in Wonderland theme this month.
Yes.
That's great.
So you're going to receive one die cut like this with something like this to line it. And this is fun because the first thing that you have to do is to fold it like this and like this. You see? Yay! You have something to, and then you can add, okay, let me see. It's a little bit hard for me sometimes to hold things, but then you can add these things like this. And I'm going to show you what I mean with that. So you just put a little bit of glue. Oops. Very nice glue here, and then you add it to this part. Just not sure there. Then you add the other one like this. Right. I'm trying to do this a little bit fast, but you take your time. Do you like doing these kind of things?
Yeah, so they get a little kit almost.
Yes.
With
That's the outside, yeah. Exactly. This
But you
little
could assemble
kit.
a lot of things.
Yep. Then with all these parts, you can position them however you like. These ones are inside, that's for sure. But then you have a bunch of other things. Like, for example, this is a sticker. You see?
Oh, well, that's a great sticker.
Yes.
Very vintagey.
Yes, it's from the original
From the original
book.
illustration.
Yes. So I decided just to put my Alice here.
So people who subscribe this month will get all these pieces, including that sticker.
Yes, they're going to get this sticker.
That's great.
This is cool. And let me see. I can put a lot of things. Let's decorate the front first. What do you think?
That sounds good.
Okay, let's put maybe a few flowers here. I am not too careful. You see, I just put things.
So do people get also these little
Flowers,
pieces
yes, they
as
get
part
the
of their
they get the flowers. They get the. Well, you have to wait and see what else they get. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they get the flowers.
So everything that you're putting
Look
here,
at this
wow, the
cute
rabbit.
little rabbit.
So everything that you're putting here, they get in their
The kit.
just in this month, and it's only for this
Yeah, it's
month,
only
right?
for this month. I'm going to put the rabbit maybe here. What do you think?
Oh, that looks good. I like that
Like here.
dark silhouette shape.
Yes, I like that too. Oh, I have this frame. Look, you can put whatever you want, you know, under the frame.
Right, you have the total freedom to put things however you'd like. This is just showing
Just an
one way
example,
of doing it.
yes. And I am going to put maybe the frame here.
It's also to show all
And
the things that come.
Yes, and it can be different colors. So this is only one color. Oh, look at this. You like this?
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Yeah,
It's
that bottle.
yeah. And I
The
am
bottle
going
with
to
the magic
put,
potion.
yes. I am going to put it here. What do you think?
Oh, that looks good.
All right. We have the other side that we can decorate. What about putting this eat me here? You see the eat me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I like this because you see it's kind of shiny. So it's with metallic.
Yeah, and many of these are textured too,
Yeah.
which is nice. And also you.
Okay, so let me. Oh, look what I have. And you know what? These are files that I created, all and I cut, and I cut them. All these are files that I really, created. It's not, you're not going to find them in another
So these are your
Another.
own shapes.
Yes.
And
These
that's
are
a
shapes
cute
that
hole, isn't it?
Yeah. It's cute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And if you have a keyhole, you need
You need the key to
the
open it.
key to open it. You see the little key. So cute. But instead of gluing it, I was thinking maybe just using this thread here, and I am going to cut it. And what about if we put it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And tie it.
So you can really
Oh
add
yes.
some things that you have you already to kind of augment and expand on the things
I
that
have a
are
hard time with
coming.
this. Okay, yes. Like I don't have nails. I have to cut them.
There you go.
Okay, and I can make a little hole here. See? Little hole here, and I can put the other side of the thread here, and it can just be there. Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're going to get that. Also, let's see, what about one of these cute little mushrooms? Mushrooms are part of the story, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So let's put it here. What do you think?
I think that looks good.
Oh, look how cute is
Oh,
this.
bravo.
You see, and you can do it whatever you want. No, let's see what we can put inside. Okay, here you have, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to put a few of these things. These other shapes are like the heart, and then you have the different shapes of
Oh, the cards. That were also a very
yes,
important part of the story.
yes. I'm just going to put these things here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And you see how easy it is to do something like this?
Mm-hmm.
All the shapes are going to be in your kit. How do you like that?
Oh, that's great. It gives you a lot of freedom to create it and put things together as you like. There's
Yes. Oh, look, you're also
no
going to
that.
have some of these
Oh, you got some
these
branches and leaves.
branches. Yes. So let's put maybe some here just to show you. And maybe you're going to get more than one, of course. Maybe I'm going to put a little butterfly here. Oh, and then you're going to have this one too. It's like
A vintage ruler.
yes, so cute. So I can put part of this here. You see, something like this. Maybe I can cut it here. I put one part here and another part here. You got the idea, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And so you are going to get all these things, all these different things. Not just that. You are going to have this. These are die cuts. These are not mine, but this you're going to get something like this. They come in together like this. You see?
Oh, very nice set.
Yes, they are double-sided.
Double-sided. Oh.
Yes, but when you take them out, they look like this and like this. Also, you're going to have a nice quote here. This is one of the quote. How long is forever?
Sometimes just 1 second.
Yes, and that's how we do things, right? We try to enjoy and to have
those little
fun.
clocks on the top too.
Yes, you
Wow,
have the
that's
clock,
nice.
and this and the the flowers and all those things that you see here. And of course, you also have my letter, and yes, I hope you enjoy it. You have fun with this. Okay, take care. Bye.